Hi there, hi everyone, welcome back with the third and last puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday, still weekend, June the 18th, 2022. I've already solved two puzzles, the Sudoku with 3 stars and the Tectonic. And now it's time for the Sudoku with 3 stars and the binary. And now it's time for the Tectonic. And tomorrow I will solve the rest of the puzzles in this additional, because tomorrow we have no newspaper. But first, Tectonic with 4 stars. Is it really 4 stars? I do not know. But this will be number 4722. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one, 13 printed digits. Could be a hard one, could be an easy one. But for a hard one, I need, for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box or boxes is always a 1. I see only one single box. Always a 1. Do we have dual boxes here? I see here a dual box contains the 1 and 2. Well, this box can be a 1. So, 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 1 box left in this dual box for the number 2. Here also the 1 and 2. For the dual box contains the 1 and the 2. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. Here another dual box contains the 1 and the 2. I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Here another one. I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Triple boxes then. I see only one triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, the 2 is already filled in, so those 2 boxes should be 1 or a 3. And when you see a triple box, remember the box near the middle box. This is the middle box. Can only be 4 or 5. 4 or 5. We already have a 5 in the same area, so it cannot be a 5 anymore. So this box should be a 4. Triple box, alright. Quadra boxes, do we have quadra boxes here? I see here only one quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, I cannot fill those numbers. Need to wait for more information. Then the following strategy is to look for shapes, figures that you need to recognize. We have here, for example, the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, yes. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. But also, that box has the same name as this box. So that box has the same name as this box. T shape. Do we have more T shapes in this puzzle? Here, rotated. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. Alright. Okay. Alright. T shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case it's a 2. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Yeah. Let me draw this here. This one. Remember, when you see this kind of shape, this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Do you have more of this kind of shapes? No. Overlook this one. The previous shape. This box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 5. Wow, a lot of 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Then the last shape, I believe. Well, this shape. Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. Oh, right. Okay. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes that you need to recognize. There are more. I believe maximum 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 that you need to recognize. And why you need to recognize, that's the question. Why you need to recognize? Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. Okay. Let me continue. These 3 boxes surround the one can be a 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. Then this box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that box cannot be a 1. We have a 1 here, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Interesting. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. Well, I cannot place the 1 here because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 3. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Let me see. 1, 2. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, this box cannot be a 1. If I place a 1 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also 1, but we already have a 1 there. So it's not a solution to place the 1 there. The 1 should be here. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 3. Let me mark those 4 and the 3. So this box is connected with that box, should be also 4 and the 3. Alright. No one. Yeah. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, if I place the 1 here, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. But we already have a 1 here. So it's not a solution to place the 1 there. The 1 is supposed to be there. Alright. Let me think. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 2 there. I've marked those 2 boxes with 2 earlier, so this box can be 2 anymore. We have, so 2 should be here. Alright, and let me see. Okay. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be 3. That box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Let me think. 5. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be a 2, but also that box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not a solution to place the 2 there because this box is connected with that box. Should be so also a 2, but we already have a 2 here. So it's not a solution to place it here. The 2 supposed to be here. Alright. 1. This cannot be a 1. 1, yes. Well. Let me think. 4 and a 3. 1, 2, 4 and a 3. Well, we have a pair. This box can be 1, can be 2, can be 5. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 3. So we have a pair, 4 and the 3 in this area. So the other pair should be the 1 and the 2. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. Alright, these 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 2 here because we have a double 2 there. If I place the 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not a solution to place the 2 there. The 2 is supposed to be here. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. Alright. This box can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this area for the number 1, 2, 3 is missing. These 2 boxes can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes, these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this quadrat box should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 2 boxes left for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. I think this box should be 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 2. This box can be a 1. This box can be a 2. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 4. 2 numbers left in this area. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2 and this box should be a 1. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 4 and 5. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 4 or a 5. Well, this box can be 4 and it can be a 5. So the 4 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. This box is connected with that box, so we have so 4 and a 5. One box left in this T-shaped area for number 2. Then. Let me think. Yeah, let me think. Overlook something maybe. 4 and a 3. 4 and a 3. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. One box left in this area for number 4. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. One box left in this T-shaped area for number 4, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. One box left in this area for the number 5. These two boxes can be a 3. Oh wait, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. These 3 boxes surround a 3, can be 3, so one box left for the 3 should be there, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5, and this box is connected with that box, should be also 4 and 5, but we already have a 5 there, so it can't be a 5 anymore. This box should be a 4, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. This box is also connected with that box, should be also a 4. One box left in this area for number 5. 2 boxes left in this T-shaped area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Alright. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also download... You can also download a lot of playlists. You can also find a lot of playlists in my channel. Playlist for the Tectonic, playlist for the binaries, playlist for the letter Sudoku. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, and the quintuplet, a.k.a. samurai Sudokus. All kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Saturday. We will meet again tomorrow on Sunday. Until then, bye-bye for now.